Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about how to fix your built-in Tesla dashcam with this micro SD card and this smartphone compatible card reader, what causes the issue and how to fix it. I also want to share with you a really convenient way to view your dashcam footage straight from your smartphone using these items. So if you're interested to find out how, enjoy the rest of the video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of Tesla DIY. Today I want to talk about this card reader and the micro SD card. It was recently brought up by Chris. Check out his channel. He came up with a solution to fix the problem we have with the USB flash drive. I've had one USB flash drive so far corrupted on me because the dash cam footage. The issue being that the typical USB flash drive, they're not designed for continuous writing or continuous rewriting, while the SD card or micro SD, such as the ones used for the camera, they are meant to be continuously writing videos. Therefore, these will not corrupt like the USB flash drive would. And another cool thing about this is with the lightning connector and also this adapter for Android, you can just push it out like this or push it back in. And with these, it's compatible with Android and iOS device such as my iPhone. So I'm going to show you some of the details that Chris have not covered. And again, this is Chris's idea. Go ahead and check out his original video and give him a follow if you like. So there are a couple things that was not mentioned in the video, such as how you have to format the SD card. At least the one I got needs to be formatted to the correct format. You cannot do this by the default Windows or Mac. Actually, I don't know about Mac, but you can't do that on the default Windows formatting tool. I did some research and you have to download a free software and use that free software to format this. I'll be showing you the process in a bit, and then also which app is required to use with this USB reader and how you navigate through the app, how you can download the footage straight to your phone. You can view the videos that was recorded from the dash cam straight from your phone, so you don't have to pull out the card every time. If you want to go back and see something that happened, maybe you don't have to pull it out and bring it inside the house, connect to your computer. I've had to do that before, but luckily I remember to put it back in the car when I was done with it. So with this, you don't have to take it out from your car. You can just pull it right out, put it in, and see what happened, download the footage, and put it right back in. So go ahead and check out Chris once again. Check out Chris's YouTube channel. Alright, enough of talking here. So as you can see right out of the box, the micro SD card is default to be in exFAT format. And if you're trying to format with the Windows default tool, FAT32 is not an option. Unfortunately, Tesla's dashcam only recognizes FAT32 format. So this is what you need to do. Go to this website. I'll leave a link in the description as well. Then download this free software. Once downloaded and installed, launch the software and locate your micro SD card partition. Right click and look for Format Partition. Select FAT32. Assign a letter as your partition label, then click OK. Go to the top left and hit Apply. Proceed. OK, and your micro SD card is now ready to be used with the Tesla dashcam. Okay, now it's time to set up your phone with the corresponding app. I'm using an iPhone, so iOS is what I'll be demonstrating this on. Go to your app store and look for iUSB Pro. Install it and that's it. Once you plug the card reader into your phone, it will take a second for your phone to detect the card reader.
Then it'll ask if you want to allow communication. Go ahead and tap allow and it will take you straight into the app. Look for Tesla Cam folder and you will have full access to your dashcam footages. Unfortunately, with my screen recording on my iPhone, I was not able to record the video playback, but you will be able to view and download any of the selected footage straight to your camera roll or email. Very cool, right?
And also, if you haven't checked out my Redbubble account, I have some cool t-shirt design. This is one of the design. I printed this one by myself, but the same design is also up on my Redbubble store, along with a couple other pretty cool design, I think. So make sure you check that out if you're interested. Give me a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. And I'll leave some links in the description below to where you can purchase these. And if you do use my link to buy these, I do get a small cut. Anything help grow the channel. And last but not least, if you want to see more product reviews or DIY contents on your Tesla Model 3, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And until then, I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.